Hey everyone, welcome back to Forbes Advisor, where we help you find the perfect tools to boost your business. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison of Hubspot and Pipedrive, two powerful CRM tools that can supercharge your sales and marketing efforts. Let's figure out which one is the right fit for you. Stick around till the end, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful insights like this. First up, let's talk about Hubspot. Hubspot is more than just a CRM, it's an all-in-one platform offering tools for marketing, sales, customer service, and even content management. It's perfect for growing businesses that want to streamline their operations and automate workflows. On the other hand, Pipedrive is laser-focused on sales pipeline management. It's a fantastic choice for small to medium-sized businesses that prioritize simplicity and want to close deals faster without getting bogged down by extra features they might not need. Now, let's compare their ease of use. HubSpot's user interface is polished and intuitive, but because it offers so many features, there's a slight learning curve for beginners. However, they have excellent tutorials and support to guide you through. Pipedrive shines with its simplicity. Its drag-and-drop interface makes managing your sales pipeline a breeze, even if you're new to CRMs. If you're looking for something that's quick to set up and easy to navigate, Pipedrive might be the better option. Pricing is always a key factor. HubSpot offers a free CRM with basic features, but its premium plans can get expensive as your team grows, starting at $50 per month for the starter plan and climbing to over $1,200 per month for advanced tiers. Remember, the links for HubSpot and Pipedrive are in the description of this video. Okay, now. Pipedrive, on the other hand, is more affordable, with plans starting at just $14.90 per user per month. Even their top-tier plan is priced at $99 per user per month, making it a budget-friendly option for smaller teams. So, which one is right for you? If you need a comprehensive solution that covers marketing, sales, and customer service, and you have the budget for it, HubSpot is an excellent choice. But if your focus is solely on managing your sales pipeline with ease and affordability, Pipedrive is a fantastic option. Now that you know the pros and cons of both tools, it's time to make your choice. Which CRM do you prefer, HubSpot or Pipedrive? Let me know in the comments below, and hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips on business tools and strategies. Also, check the links in the description to learn more about HubSpot and Pipedrive. See you in the next video.